Hello everyone and welcome back to Project Fern. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a headlight bulb on a SportKA, a KA, without taking the headlight out. This one has been done in the past and they've not even put the bumper on properly, which I'm going to have to sort out. But yeah, it's easier to jack the car up. I prefer to do it that way anyway, but you can do it while the car's still on the floor by turning the steering. I just think having it jacked up just gives you a little bit more room, so I'll show you how to do it now. With the steering turned out, it just makes it a little bit easier. I've got a Torx 30 screw there, and I've got a Torx 30 screw there as well. If I take them two out, it's going to drop the wheel arch liner down a little bit, and I should be able to get my hand up there and get to the back of the headlight. I forgot to mention there's a little screw that goes underneath as well to get the wheel arch liner out. But as you can see here now, I've got access to the back of the headlamp. I can remove that metal clip, take that back cover off and get this headlamp bulb replaced. Now the back cover of that headlamp's quite tight in there, so you have to like push it up first and then pull it down. And as you can see up there now, it's revealed the back of the headlamps. I can see where the headlight bulb is. I'm going to unclip it, get the new one in, put that cover back in and then see how we get on from there. These bulbs go in with a flat bit to the top, just makes it easier when they go in. Then you can put that little metal clip back on, which you put in and then turn, like bend to the side and clip it back in. Get the multi-plug back on the back and it's job done. I'm not going to lie to you, getting that back cover on is a little tricky. It's just took me a couple of minutes to wangle that back in. But it is back in, the back clip's back on. I'm going to build this wheel arch liner back in now with the two screws and the screw underneath and then get it back down on the floor. There you go, two working headlight bulbs again. Took about 10 minutes that. A lot easier than taking all the headlight out and stuff. Hope this video's helped you. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, any comments, put them in the comment section below. It's pretty much the same on the other side. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.